Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make chicken and green sauce as I previously stated before. So I'm going to go over the ingredients with you that you're mainly going to need. So first I'm using 4 chicken thighs, and this should give you a good amount of plates. I'm talking about like maybe 8 servings. Then we have chayote, which in English it's Merlington squash. You'll learn something new every day because I certainly did not know that. Then I have calabacitas, which translates to little pumpkins, but in reality it is sort of like a form of zucchini. I don't really know how they call this in English, but I know in Spanish it's calabacitas. Then we have some cilantro, some garlic, some onion. We have some chopped up potatoes, and the main ingredient, the green tomatillos. These are tomatillos verdes. You can find these at any Hispanic grocery store. They're sour tomatoes. They're very good. Now, you can include a jalapeno pepper in this dish if you want to make it spicy. I personally make it mild, so I don't put any jalapeno. But for right now, we're going to start the cooking process, which is basically going to be, we're going to boil the chicken thighs and boil the green tomatillos. So we'll be right back. Okay, so right now our chicken is starting to boil. I put this in around 10 minutes ago, and I have my tomatoes here. They are currently cooking, been in there for about 10 minutes. I'll let you guys know exactly how much time it is once it's done. And then I'm making my white rice. Stir fry it a little bit first. Don't these look so nice, guys? Got some nice ones today. So we'll let these sit here for a bit. Okay guys, so once my chicken thighs are fully cooked, what I'm going to do is I'm going to string it out. It's kind of hot right now. You could let it cool if you want, but I like to do this once they're all done to maximize the amount of plates that I'm going to be serving. So we're going to string this out. I already stringed out the rest of the chicken, but I wanted to show you guys just how to do it in case you don't want to wait until it gets cool. If you don't do it right away. So once you string it out, we're going to put this back in the pot. So it's nice and even now. So this is what it's going to look like once all the chicken is stringed out. And we're going to put this back in the pot for now. Meanwhile, we're going to go ahead and make the sauce. So it looks like our tomatoes are ready. And what you want to do is you want to wait until they're nice and brown like that, not bright green. So once they're nice and soft and brown, then they are ready to be put in the blender to make our sauce. And you want to make sure they don't pop either, because it's never happened to me, but I heard that if you let them pop in the pot, they turn bitter or something. I'm not sure, don't quote me, but that's what I heard. So ever since I was told that, I was like, yep, not letting them pop. But mine are nice and soft right now. They're perfect. Alright, so we have everything in the blender now. For now, I'm just going to put the ingredients, which is half a tablespoon of paprika, half a tablespoon of pepper, half a tablespoon of salt. And this is totally up to you how much salt you guys like in your dish. I don't like my food too salty, so. And then this is adobo. Put 1 tablespoon, about 1.5. and about half a tablespoon of pepper flakes. And we blend. Okay, so now that we have blended that, it's still hot, you guys. I'm gonna put half an onion, a handful of cilantro, and I'm putting in 3 garlic cloves. Put the rest of my cilantro. And we are set to blend again. Alright, I think we're good. I'll take off the lid. It's a little spicy because of the pepper flakes, but you know what? I think I'm going to put a little bit more adobo in it. Very little. Just once it boils and I put all the veggies in there, the veggies are going to absorb the salt. Okay, so this is ready to put on the stove now. Okay, so now we're getting ready to put everything into the pot. So I put about 1.5 cups of water in there. And we're gonna be careful, guys, when you put your chicken back in. You don't want it splashing all over the place. So we put this in there. Now we're gonna put our veggies. And next, the potatoes. And we're going to make sure that everything is blended in together. Alright. The reason I put everything in after is because the potatoes and all the veggies that I'm putting in here cook very easily. So it's not going to be cooking for long. And now you want to pour your sauce. And for this sauce, I used approximately 10 to 12 tomatoes, I believe it was. And you see it covers perfectly. So now I'm going to let it cook for about maybe 30 minutes so that all the vegetables are cooked in. You want to make sure you put your lid on this because it'll help cook everything properly. Look at how good that's looking. It's like a nice, perfect green color. This is going to be yummy, you guys. Not only is this a really good, like, flavorful dish, it's very economical. Alright, so it looks like everything is already blended in good. Alright guys, so now we're going to let this cook for about, I want to say another 30 to 35 minutes until all my veggies are done. Some other people cook their potatoes or their vegetables They separately fry it until they're cooked and then put it in with the sauce. But I like to let them boil in the sauce because I feel like the sauce is more, it gets absorbed into the vegetables, so it makes it a lot more flavorful. So I hope you guys enjoy. So now you see this is what it's going to look like once it's cooking. The water from the vegetables is going to pull up, so it's going to be a little more watery than what it initially looked like when I put it in. But trust me guys, this is going to be amazing. So hold on, it's almost ready. Hey guys, so this is the final product. It is super good, super delicious. Let me just try it and see how it came out. Mmm. Delicious. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. Let me know in the comments below if you do, if you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.